We're here on Brick Lane in East London, the world famous Brick Lane. And the reason why we're here is because tonight is vegan nights. And we're hearing fantastic things about a street food vendor called Omkara, who apparently do some of the best vegan tikka masala the world has to offer. Guys, if you're liking this content that we're putting out, please subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and also tag your mates, because the more people that see this stuff, the more people are being exposed to vegan food, and that can only be a good thing. I'm very hungry. Shall we go in? Let's do this. Cannot wait to eat this.
There we go.
Mate, that looks really quite delightful, doesn't it?
Tandoori chicken platter. We've got tandoori chicken, chana masala, samosa, a special patty made out of stuffed with potatoes and peas, and jeera rice.
Wowza, okay, cool. First and foremost, what's your name?
I'm Samir.
And what's your business?
Omkara.
So, Samir runs Omkara, and I've heard that this is the best tandoori chicken, or chicken, going. Can you tell us a little bit about the chicken, like what it's made out of, how you marinate it, that sort of thing?
Yeah, so it's a special soya that we import.
So you go soya rather than seitan?
Yeah, for this definitely soya.
Cool.
Just holds the texture better. The texture's quite realistic. Yeah. Most of my customers are actually meat eaters.
With regard to the chicken, like how long does it marinate for?
48 hours.
What's the process that you go through to make that wonderful colour and stuff?
That's a mixture of spices. Yeah? Yeah.
Have you got a special secret spice blend?
I've got a special secret spice, can't explain.
Oh no, man.
Yeah. Basically, tandoori, my mum used to make that for us, and I've just veganised it. Obviously used the vegan yogurt.
Amazing.
Because you used to use normal yogurt in it, so we've just switched that up a bit. And yeah, basically kept the same recipe, but made it with the soya instead.
I am literally salivating right now. This is, it looks wonderful. Can I have a fork?
Yeah, mate.
I'm gonna give this a whirl. This is a tandoori chicken platter from Omkara, and this is their chicken. I mean, it feels very, very chickeny and meaty indeed. Let's have a taste.
Good, yeah?
It's so chickeny. I'll tell you something, this is crazy, because with seitan, it's got fibres and you can bite through the fibres. This has got bounce. That is the most chickeny chicken I've ever tasted.
Thank you very much.
I'm serious. Now this is chana masala. Explain to the viewers here now what a chana masala is.
So chana masala is a chickpea curry, except my chana masala is obviously with my secret recipe that we've cooked in our family for generations.
Obviously, Harry and I go to the Indian restaurants quite regularly. We have a chana masala because it's like a solid vegetarian, vegan sort of staple. So let's see how good this man is. Oh man. Oh, perfectly cooked chickpeas. Not too soft, not too hard, great flavour. The sauce is bang, bang tidy, and I love the fact that you're using those brown and white ones. That's badass, man. So straight up now, if you are ever East London ways, Omkara is making like world-beating A-class food. Very, very good. Mate, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My top tip for if you want to recreate some Indian food at home, what you'll need is a spice box, and in your spice box, standard spices will be cumin powder, coriander powder, mustard seeds, red chili, garam masala. That's basically it.
So, we came hunting for vegan tikka chicken. We found the best vegan tikka chicken I've ever had in my life. It was absolutely delicious. Omkara have really got it going on, and if you ever get the opportunity to see them, you should take that opportunity, because you will definitely not in any way be disappointed. Look at it, it's mental. Samir, you're a G. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so now, because there's going to be loads more content just like this, as well as our lovely recipe videos coming your way very, very soon. Listen, what did you think to this? Would you like to try this? Let us know in the comments section below. We read every single one and try to respond to as many as is possible. In the meantime, I'm going to eat this now. Before I do, there's one thing left to say, and that is BISH, BASH, BOSH.